we apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We are going to use a suction cup to open a hole. We introduce a metal opening tool. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. We remove the screw. Lift gently the device motherboard. Now we remove the earpiece speaker. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.